welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to give you an assignment, and in this assignment, you have to make an interface for Tic Tac Toe game. Let me show you what I want. So let me refresh my page. So we have an interface for Tic Tac Toe. So we are not going to implement the real game here. I only want you to make an interface where when the user 1 clicks, you should get a 0, and when the user 2 clicks, you should have a cross. Okay, so let me click here. So I got 0. When I click here, I got cross. When I click here, I got 0, and so on, right? So this is how you can work, and I want this kind of interface. See, the user when user 1 wins the game, right? Because 0 means user 1 and the cross means user 2. So you are supposed to make this kind of interface with the help of your jQuery skills. And let me give you a clue that how can you make this game. So I want uh, you to have knowledge of a table tag in the HTML, and within this table you must have 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So this is what I have on my web page. So I have a table. So this is basically a table. So let me mark here. This is basically a table, right? A table of 3 rows and 3 columns. Fine. And within this table I have 9 cells. Because we have 3 rows and 3 columns, it means we have total 9 cells, and in each cell I have an image. So let me refresh my page first. So in each cell I have a plain image here. So let me show you that I have written a plain JPG image, right? With a height of maybe 200 pixels and width of 200 pixels. So I have 9 such images here. Okay, and then you must have a good knowledge of implicit iteration and click event, right? So if you do not have idea about implicit iteration, then go back and watch my video on implicit iteration. And we have already used click events many times, so I don't think you will face any problem in this. And you must know about the idea of images, how to use image tag in your HTML document, and you should have knowledge of attribute function. We have already covered this one. And then you should have some images like 0.jpg file, cross.jpg files. So when I click here, so actually I am replacing my plain.jpg file with a 0.jpg file. Similarly, when I click here, so I am replacing my plain.jpg file with the cross.jpg file. And the format of these images can be anything. You can even take JPG files, or you can even take PNG files. Imagine that you have total 9 images, because we have 9 cells here. You can see that we have total 9 cells here. So let me take my this tool. So we have total 9 images here, 3 rows and 3 columns. So if you want to apply a click event on the images, you can write $image.click, and the idea is click function allows implicit iteration, right? The implicit iteration means when you write $image, you will get a wrapper set of 9 images, and this click function will be applied on all the 9 images, right? I repeat, when you write $image.click, you will get a wrapper set of 9 images, 9 image objects, and the click function will automatically be applied on all the 9 image tags, right? So that is implicit iteration. You do not need to write click event 9 times. Okay, so now I have given so many clues to you. So try to make this assignment, and in the next lecture I will give you the solution. So best of luck.